Welcome to Motor Madness, the chase edition, where adrenaline and action collide. Each episode showcases the most intense, high-stakes motorcycle chases, where speed, danger, and the grit of law enforcement are put to the ultimate test. First, a Kawasaki motorcycle attempts a bold off-road escape, but meets its match in a precise police maneuver. And then, a motorcycle rider, evading arrest, leads officers on a dangerous high-speed pursuit, narrowly avoiding disaster. A motorcycle veers off-road, weaving through obstacles as the rider attempts a desperate escape. But a trooper's precision intervention leaves no room for error, ending the chase with a dramatic and calculated move.
I'm gonna go 24 with him, 270, 104. We made a stop here at Hardin Baptist Church. Well, 1037. I made a left on Hardin Reed Road. Speed 78, no traffic.
Hey, well, I'm on Princeton Pike right now, heading that way.
10-4, we're heading that way. White male, tan glasses, speeds 92, no traffic.
Yeah, I saw him pass the two earlier.
Little blue shoes, tan, blue drawers, tan pants, gray shirt, cut-off shirt. Speed's 90, still heading towards Princeton Pike. No trouble.
Hey, I'll be there in just a second. I'm just passed over.
10-4, he can't ride, so I'm behind.
Yeah, 10-4. I'll see if I can get that intersection.
Speed's 90, still no traffic, heading towards Princeton Pike. Speed's 85, still heading towards Princeton Pike, no traffic. I just got beside him, so he knows it's me. It's a go. Coming up on the intersection. Speed's 84, no traffic.
Yeah, I'm just east of it. Do you go west or east?
Oh, we're coming up to it now. He's slowing down. I'm trying to cut him off. on Summers Road in the ditch. Oh yeah, buddy, I got him. That was stupid. Give me a hand. Get up. You got anything on you? What's your name, partner? What's your name, partner? Randy. Why are you running? Huh? Yeah, stupid. Alright, is this bike sold? No. Alright, let's go. I don't know, I hadn't ran it yet.
10-4 inspired and 14 on a Kawasaki.
You got anything on you? You sure? You got IV or anything? No? You ain't got nothing on you?
Go ahead.
So you just running because you got a parole hold?
Bike crash.
That's stupid.
We went to get ahead of him, tried to cut him off. He like put scuff marks on my car, and then he kind of laid it down and scrapped here. Okay, so he crashed. Sure, we can call it that. Is he hurt?
Hey, you alright?
Negative. This bike's going to be
You good? Sure? Do you need an ambulance? You sure? Are you sure? Yeah, I'll put you in the car. Come on. Hey, stop your camera.
Tightened up. Can you get it back up?
Come on out here. Which one?
You keep on 10-20 above it.
This one straight? Yeah. We'll lock it up.
Observing 10-11.
You in there?
What began as a reckless off-road flight ended with the certainty of justice, proving once again that evasion is no match for skill and determination. What started as a routine day in Monticello quickly escalated when Huey Zane Brooks, wanted on felony charges, led officers on a chaotic pursuit through city streets and highways.
Police is primary.
213 PD, I'm behind everybody on Bill Henry.
10-4, ladies primary.
Emergency fails, remind everybody I'm in route. 10-4.
He wrecked out. Give me a hand.
116 Mill Henry Road, in between 425 and Garnett.
Don't move, all right? We'll keep you still. We got an ambulance coming, okay? We're going to take care of him. Does he need anything? Yeah, I got it.
Don't. Yeah, we're just gonna let him lay. We're not gonna try to move him. We'll just let him lay.
He went off right there. What do y'all need?
Nothing yet. What on the ambulance?
I think he threw something on Parker.
He kept doing that.
Yeah, he kept doing this the whole time coming through.
Yeah, he did a couple times. I don't know what.
Just let him lay. Make sure he stays in consciousness. If 39-1, you can clear it.
10-4, 1238.
This chaotic chase through city streets tested both skill and restraint as officers worked to stop a speeding motorcycle. A dangerous cocktail of high speeds, reckless moves, and oncoming traffic created a powder keg that could have exploded at any moment. But it was tactical precision and quick thinking that ultimately turned the tide, ensuring no lives were lost in this high-stakes showdown. Thank you for watching this thrilling episode of Motor Madness, the Chase Edition. If you enjoyed these intense and action-packed pursuits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all the latest chases. Remember, safety always comes first. Follow traffic rules and do your part to keep the roads safe. Show respect to the brave men and women in law enforcement who work tirelessly to protect us all. See you next time for more high-speed action.